let's see how to buy iPad 10th Gen with student discount. In the first step, open Apple Education Store. After that, log in using student credentials. Now, select iPad 10th generation. In the next step, look for student discount availability, then confirm eligibility through Unidevice verification. Next, use the discount before making payment. In the next step, select the desired storage and color. After that, include accessories if required. Later, check the available warranty options. In the next step, place item in the cart. Next, provide shipping details. After that, choose a payment method. In the next step, verify order details. After that, redeem extra discounts if available. After that, finalize the order. You are good to go.